welcome back to the Keith Bryant Show. I'm here with Taka from Nihon Superior, and we're going to start by talking about their new SN100 product. So, the floor is yours, sir.
Thank you very much for the introduction. This is Takatoshi Nishimura. So everyone calls me Taka. So nice to meet you again. Our new material, innovative material SN100 CV, is designed for a cost-effective assembly material alternative without compromising joint reliability. So based on a new approach for improving a alloy strengthening effect, we had a longer term, more reliable solder joint with a 30% or more cost-effective material than the current tin silver copper basis solder paste materials. So this material is more designed more for SMT assembly. But at the same time, these days, we start to also look at the solution for wave and selective soldering. So this is our one of our new materials, innovative, for solving customers' technical issues.
Yeah, and obviously with wave solder and selective solder, the cost point becomes more critical than solder paste also. So if you have something that's a 30% reduction on what's out in the market at the moment, you should be getting a lot of interest.
Yes, that's right. Well, especially these days, the material price is rapidly increasing. Half year, the price in the USD is go above more than 40%. So even if solder in your product leaves only a few grams, but that matters for the whole of customers' activities. So we give especially cost reduction solution. But of course, we don't want to compromise the customer's product quality, reliability. So we give those solutions. Yes.
Yeah. And obviously, it's a few grams on a board, but it's a huge number of kilograms in a wave solder pot. So yeah, it becomes a balance in both directions. But if you can have the same product that you're using in selective as using with solder paste, then that obviously has a lot of advantages as well.
That's right, yes. So that's our design for this new material, SN100 CV.
Yeah.
Yes.
And will you put it into a cord wire as well?
Oh, yes. Yes, we do. So for rework purpose, we developed also new flux formula designed for halogen-free, so environmentally friendly formula, flux cold wire.
Okay.
Yes.
And have you also tested it with robotic soldering?
Yes, that works pretty well. Yes, so customer likes both the hand soldering and robotics. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, because in a lot of countries now we're seeing a big growth in the last sort of 6-12 months in robotic soldering to replace the people at the end of the lines.
That's right. Yes. Yeah. So we want also technicians. I mean workers in line friendly. So less fume generation, less spattering. Not only material reliability, but more worker friendly. Yeah. Yes. Assembly friendly.
Right.
Yes.
It sounds like you've definitely got a good product. What are the customers thinking about it so far?
For CV?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, they like these ideas, and especially in our cases, we started to market from Asia. We have a good growth every year and year. So this year we start to see more expansion of this material application.
Good. And going to the other end of the spectrum, what about low temperature solders?
Oh, thank you for that. So we also design more, customers' request. These days, they also want sustainable, environmentally sustainable SMT activities, not only just consuming, wasting, but we also have to take care of course, environmental reasons. Started with lead-free and also halogen-free. We took that innovative approach, but these days the customers also want to go for carbon neutral, so net zero CO2 emission in their activities. So we developed low temperature solder, which is known as LTS, as a getting abbreviation of a low temperature solder. So we design for the customer's sustainable and also innovative approach for solving the customers' requests and issues.
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, it's not only a low temperature product, but it's a much better environmental approach as well. So you're rolling like the two in together.
That's right. Yes. So we and the customer cooperate together and target to emit 50%. So half loss in decrease in the CO2 emission during SMT reflow and wave assemblies. So we design both solder paste for reflow and wave for solder bars and wire, together with world's leading companies for this innovative and sustainable approach. Yes.
Okay, so it sounds like you have the high temperature and the low temperature stuff pretty well covered now.
Yes. So so we started with the high temperature, and the low temperature has been long-term topic for the customers, but there was a big breakthrough by the pressure for this environmental friendly activities protocols. So so we are covering both high and lower temperature solder solutions to match with next generation assembly solutions.
Okay, well, it sounds like you're doing a great job, Taka, so thank you for coming in and sharing with us.
Thank you
Enjoy
very
the rest
much.
of the show.
Thank you for opportunity.